Hello, Sue here again from Sue's Dog Home Kitchen. Today I am making an upside down goat's cheese souffle. Okay, so we will see if this works out anyway. I've put all the ingredients in front of me to save time because it's quite late now and we want to have this for our tea tonight. So I'm doing it quick. This is a low carb recipe from my low carb book that I'm now using for my recipes, okay, because we're on a low carb eating plan, okay. So here we have 120 mils of egg white, 120 mils, and then we're going to have sea salt and ground pepper, and then we're going to have 1.5 ounces or 45 grams of butter. It says unsalted, I think that's unsalted. And then 1 ounce or 30 grams of sliced mushroom, thinly sliced. And then half a tomato, thinly sliced. And then 3.5 ounces, 100 grams of goat's cheese. Okay, so the goat's cheese is in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the egg whites in a medium bowl and season with the salt and pepper. So we're going to place our eggs in this bowl. Season with the salt and pepper. So I hope you're having a good day today. You're not getting all down. And then we're going to beat this with an electric mixer until it forms peaks, a bit like making meringue. Okay, that's the meringue made, which is that. There you go, that's done. There. That's just basically the same as making meringue, actually, that bit. And then we're going to melt the butter in a large oven-proof frying pan. So I've got this large oven-proof frying pan, and we're going to melt the butter in it. So I'm just going to light the gas, put this on, and then we're going to melt the butter in it. So we're going to cook the mushrooms. Not very difficult so far, is it? I think I haven't followed this recipe so far. So we're just melting the butter, and this pan can go in the oven because it's got a metal handle. So you're making it all in this one pan and you're going to put it in the oven. So that's basically it really. So this is called an upside down souffle, goat's cheese souffle. You can have this in the morning for breakfast. This is in the breakfast section. But I'm having it for my tea today. But we're going to have it for a tea. I'm going to make a bit of salad to go with it. And I might make a dressing to go with the salad. We'll see how I feel shortly. So the mushrooms are cooking in there. So next, once they're cooked, they might take a few minutes because they're only cut very thinly. So I'll put the spice around it. Right, and then arrange the tomato slices over the mushrooms. Right, I think we might have to mush up our goat's cheese bit. This is a soft goat's cheese, which I think is better for this recipe. Right, so that's better. So all I did was forked up the goat's cheese. Okay, so now we got to arrange the tomatoes on top of here, like so. Alright, then it says, the mushrooms quickly fold the cheese into the beaten egg white and spread evenly over the mushroom mixture. Right, so we'll take that off the heat now. I think that will be fine. So we've got to quickly fold the cheese into the eggs. Not losing the puffiness, obviously. So we're quickly folding the goat's cheese into the egg mixture. It's a bit like an omelette, like a fluffy omelette. That's probably why you have it for breakfast. So we put the rest of the cheese on. Get the rest out. I'm trying to do it quickly, it's quite difficult. Very quick meal. So I'm going to make a salad in a minute while this is cooking in the oven. And then we'll see where's a bit of cheese on my finger. So just fold this into the mixture quickly, like so. And then you're going to put the egg on top of here. Okay? This pan might be a bit big, but still, you get the drift of what you're doing. So that's it really. And then just spread it out a bit over the top. And spread it out a bit. It's not going to cover all of it because the pan's a bit big actually. It's a bit big for the recipe, but you get the drift. Then you're going to put that in the oven for, transfer the pan into the oven, bake for 8 minutes or until golden. So we'll leave that in there. Then I'm going to make a salad. Oh, that's it. Sue back from Sue's Dog Rub My Kitchen. I'm just going to make a quick little salad to go with our upside down goat souffle. Doesn't matter. Anyway, so in here I have a couple of little gem lettuces, and the reason why I keep them in this tin is because they stay fresh for absolutely ages if you just put some water in it, and your lettuce will stay really, really fresh and nice and crisp. And it will last for quite a few days. So I'm just going to use 4 leaves, the outer leaves, and then put the lid back on there and just store it in the fridge like that. When I put things in my fridge, I try and take everything out of the plastic as quickly as possible as soon as I get home. I always take all of the stuff out of the plastic, okay? So I'm just going to chop this up quite finely, just like that. Because we're on a low carb purge at the moment, so you can add whatever you like to this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of green, and then we're going to have half a cucumber. You could peel this if you wanted, but I'm not peeling it today. I might peel it another day. And then I'm just going to slice it and cut it into little cubes, quite small. You can put anything in the salad, anything at all, anything you've got in your fridge. I'm just going to check my souffle thing. Yeah, it's cooking. And this is a breakfast recipe actually, this souffle, but we're having it for our tea. But you can have it for breakfast. And it's a goat's cheese one. So I'm just cut up the cucumber like that. And I'm adding that into there. Like so. Now I'm just going to cut up, I can't see all this stuff in the way. I'm just going to cut up a bit of this, half a yellow pepper today. It's only because that one happened to come to hand. If it had been a different coloured one, apart from green. I didn't buy any green pepper actually, because I'm not very fond of green pepper. It always tends to make me burn a lot. Don't like it. All the other colours are sweeter anyway, and I like all the pretty colours, the red, the orange and the yellow. So I'm just slicing up the pepper. Into small bits, just like that. There we are. Put that in a bowl as well. I've got a bit of tomato here left for putting the slices on the souffle. So I'm just going to chop that up finely too. I love doing this sort of mixed salad type thing, just bunging it all in a bowl. It does look really pretty. I'm just going to add another tomato. So I'm slicing it first. And just try and chop it up into small pieces. Chop it up a bit more than that. So this is what we're having for our dinner today. So no carbs to go with this. No potatoes, no rice. I was going to make some cauliflower rice, but I'm really tired now. I've been cooking for quite a few hours now, doing different things. So that's it. So there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up a few walnuts. You can use almonds, peanuts, whatever. I'm just chopping up a few walnuts today. You can use pine nuts. I forgot to get some. I knew there was something else I was meant to get when I was out. I don't think I bought pine nuts. I haven't been out for 3.5 weeks. We went out today to go and get some shopping because I was running out of fresh stuff. And you know, you can only eat so much dried food or frozen food. But I do like a few, you know, like salad and fresh vegetables and fresh fruit and cream and stuff, which you know, I have to go to the shop and get it. I haven't been out for 3.5 weeks. Very quiet around here. And then I'm going to add some desiccated coconut to it as well. So you don't have to add this, but if you want the ingredients for this salad, then leave a comment below and I will add them. But I'm just doing it all free-handed. So it's just a sprinkling of things. So a sprinkling of desiccated coconut. Then I'm going to add a bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to use my crunchy salt, so when you eat it, you'll come bits of salt in your mouth. I like that. Then I'm going to use half a lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze it into here. Make it nice taste. Okay, and then I've got some truffle oil here. white truffle oil, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in. You can use whatever oil you want. Olive oil. I'm not very fond of olive oil on salad though. I'm not very fond of the taste, I'm afraid. So I'm just using up oils that I've got in my cupboard, special oils. I just happen to have these nice truffle oils. Oh, that smells really gorgeous. Wow. Whoa, that smells amazing. I wish you could smell that. So that's it. I just better check on my souffle now. My upside down souffle. Souffle out, should be done now. So there's the souffle. Would look better in a slightly smaller pan, but I had to find a pan with a handle that you could put in the oven, and this one came to hand. Okay, so anyway, that's how it looks. Look, looks good, eh? So now we're going to slice it and try and put it on the plate to look nice. Said red mushrooms and tomatoes, but you could put anything under this, couldn't you? I'll cut it again. It's going to be too hard to get it out of the pan. Wow, nice and light. So this is a coconut, cucumber, pepper salad with truffle oil, but you can use whatever oil you want, and some lemon. And there we have it, all done. 2 meals made within like 10 minutes. And there we are. So this is an upside down goat's cheese with tomato and mushroom souffle with a mixed salad of gem lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, yellow pepper, desiccated coconut, walnuts, and truffle oil. So if you would like the recipe for this, please leave a comment below and I will put the recipe up for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. If you didn't, then never mind. Please subscribe to my channel and tell your family and friends about my recipes, and if there's anything you would like me to make, or if you'd like me to go over something again, just let me know in the comments below. But please subscribe to my channel and just carry on watching my videos. I'm putting up quite a lot now, and I hope you're enjoying them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.